yourself, sort of?
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
All right. And
take me to the trail.
Anga! Mr. Fedors now has his muffler on. We are skiing in whiteout conditions on powder.
for all you people who are like, oh, powder, it is the worst snow. Powder is the worst snow. I would rather ski on a sheet of ice than powder. I'm dead serious. It's awful. Powder is the worst.
Moguls everywhere.
What?
Even at Blue Mountain?
Even at... Yeah, you got me there. Maybe not. That was different, though. I was racing. I was.
Go.
I was! What do you want me to say?
Okay. Where now? Straight?
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Oh my god. This is actually so scary. I'm hitting so many like moguls. I mean, they're not even moguls yet, but they look like moguls, but they're not. Scary. Ooh. Woo.
Why are we stopping here?
Because my friend had a momentum. I wonder if I could skate backwards.
You got a hill come behind you.
What do I do?
You are about to go straight into wire, my friend. How are you feeling, Mr. Fedors? Where to, sea bear?
I hate that.
Is mine still recording?